Good morning. How y'all doing? It's your boy Harvey the Credit Houdini here. Look, I wanted to talk to you guys this morning about being the co-signer of a vehicle. All right, and how it really affects your credit. Now, I get a lot of people who will call me and say, "Hey, Harvey, my cousin needs a car, my son needs a car, my brother, my wife, my whomever needs a car, and they're asking me to co-sign. The people are telling them, hey, they just need my income. I'm just going to get on the loan, and and I'm going to be on there, and it really won't affect me that much. They just need a little help. Okay, look, if you're going to co-sign with somebody, understand what actually being the co-signer on a loan means. Okay, that means if the person you're co-signing for, which is really the primary signer, and you being the co-buyer, the second person on the loan, if you sign for that person and that car turns into a repossession later on, understand that you're going to be equally responsible for that vehicle. Okay, so don't just go into something thinking that, hey, you're just going to help the person and just give them a little bit of extra income on that loan, and nothing's going to happen to you if that car is repossessed later on. Okay, because if they're ever late on a payment, it's going to hit your credit as well. It's going to affect your credit as well. So understand, really what that type of responsibility means. Okay, because I get a lot of people who I've worked on, their credit's awesome now. The person they're co-signing for, their credit isn't that awesome, and they're needing help. And people will co-sign to help someone and not really understanding, all the aspects of what it means to be a co-signer or be a co-buyer on a loan. Okay, so make sure that you fully understand everything when someone asks you, hey, will you be my co-signer or my co-buyer? Okay, understand. All right, it's really important that you understand. Like I tell people, if you're somebody that you just want to help this person, let's say that person has a low 600 credit score, and they're only needing a slight boost to later on get that car refinanced, to get that car out of their name. If that's somebody that and they're asking you that, if you want to take a chance on it, take that chance. They're not that far off from, being in a range where they can get refinanced. Like I tell people, help that person if you want to, but also make sure that you educate them on the importance of making that car note on time so that they can get that car note over that 650 range and possibly get with a credit union or a bank to later on get that car refinanced, so that that loan can then be put in their name alone, and they're not needing a co-buyer or a co-signer, and it'll help you get your name off of that loan. So like I said, make sure that you understand fully what it means to be a co-buyer or be a co-signer when signing for anybody on anything, and how if they default on the loan, if they stop paying it, or if they're late on a payment, how it can affect your credit as well and not just theirs. Hey guys, as I always say, don't forget to subscribe, hit the button down there. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know, leave me some comments. If you all have any topics you'd like me to hit on that you're really not sure about, make sure you leave it in the comment section. I check everything. And as always, y'all be blessed and enjoy your day.